Oxygen Builder is helpful because it gives you complete visual control over your WordPress site's designs and structure without needing code. It replaces the theme system with a powerful drag and drop interface, supports dynamic content, and builds fast, lightweight pages perfect for developers and designers who want pixel perfect layouts and top tier performance. Keyactivated.com is the place where you will find premium WordPress plugins and themes at unbeatable prices. Once you visit keyactivated.com, just search for the plugin you need in the store. You will see several activation options like 1 domain activation, 3 domains activation, and 5 domains activation. Depending on how many websites you are managing, choose the one that fits your need. Add it to your cart and check out. Note that these are no trial version, no cracks, no GPL or no nut. Get updates directly onto your WordPress dashboard. Let me show you how can you give safe restricted access for the activation. Note that this is 100% safe. That means you only give us permission for the activation and nothing else. Let's go to the plugin section and click on add plugin. Now let's search for AAM, that means Advanced Access Manager. This is the plugin that we need. I have already installed this plugin, so I'll just go here. And you can see this is our plugin. But before that, we will have to create a user. Click on add user. And now let's create a username for temp. And you can add your email address over here. And you can enter any password. For example, this is our password for now. Make sure that the role is administrator and click on add user. Now let's go to AAM plugin that we have already installed. Now let's go to users and then click on this gear icon. Now you will see a lot of options that you see here. We just have to restrict all these permissions and only give permission to those that are necessary. For example, if you are ordering a plugin, so you will need to give us permission for install plugin and add plugin option. And if you are ordering a theme, so make sure to give permission for appearance as well. Now let's restrict this menu and do this for most of the tabs. Note that some themes also require additional plugins to get activated with pro features. So make sure to not restrict this even if you are ordering a theme. Now let's move ahead and restrict another ones. Now we have restricted almost everything except the appearance and the plugin section. Now it's the time to check the user permission. So we will just log out from here and enter the login details of the user we created. So this is the user permission. As you can see, we only have access to themes and plugins. And if you can see these options, and if I want to go to any of this, you will see the access is denied. We will not be able to access any of this feature, even your post, setting, pages, anything. So this is how you can give us restricted permission for the activation of plugin or theme. Now let me tell you how can you contact us if you face any issues in the future with the activation of our plugin or theme. There are many ways to contact us. You will find many options to contact us on our website. You will find option for our Instagram account. You will find option for WhatsApp. You will find option for the contact page. And these will help you to connect with us easily. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below if you have any doubt, and subscribe to this channel.